Welcome to Lamtto Wireless Adapters. This video will guide you through the connection steps, product features, and FAQs in 3 parts. First, let's see what's inside the box. Upon opening the package, you will find a Lamtto light box, a Type-C data cable, a USB Type-C cable, a eject tool, and a user manual. This is an adapter that turns your wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless connection, acting like a bridge between your phone and your car. So, this is an adapter. Please note the important tips when using. 1. This adapter does not have built-in CarPlay or Android Auto. 2. This adapter is not compatible with vehicles that have wireless CarPlay, Android Auto. And it also lets you stream videos in your car like built-in Netflix, YouTube, and TikTok. Part 1 Connection Steps. This adapter defaults to CarPlay mode for vehicles with Apple CarPlay. If your car's infotainment system is Android Auto, insert the included reset tool into the reset hole for 10 seconds until the indicator light turns blue. This adapter will switch to Android Auto mode to match your car. Let's take CarPlay as an example for connection. 1. First, turn on the car power. 2. Then, plug the adapter into your car's USB Type-C port. 3. CarPlay light is on. 4. Choose the right operating system for your phone. 5. Turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Find the device in the Bluetooth list. Pair it. Part 2 Product Features. Let's take a look at the online video. Note, you need to connect your car screen to your phone's hotspot or Wi-Fi before watching. It lets you use Siri or Google Assistant through your CarPlay. Just speak to control everything, from music and calls to navigation. Select the phone mirror icon on the main screen. 2. Open phone mirroring, and you can cast your screen. This is our after-sales policy. Thank you for watching and for your support of Lamtto.